Making money on CapCut typically revolves around content creation and leveraging your videos on platforms that allow monetization. Here are a few ways to potentially make money with CapCut. 1. Create sponsored content. Once you have a decent following on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, brands may pay you to create content that features their products or services. You can use CapCut to edit your videos to make them more engaging and professional. 2. Monetize on TikTok or YouTube. TikTok. If you grow a substantial following on TikTok, you can join the TikTok Creator Fund, which pays creators based on video views and engagement. CapCut can help you enhance your TikToks and make them stand out. YouTube. You can upload your edited videos on YouTube and earn money through YouTube ads once you meet the criteria for monetization, like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. CapCut is a great tool for editing YouTube shorts and long-form videos. 3. Offer video editing services. If you're good at editing with CapCut, you could offer your services to others. Freelance websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or social media platforms are places where you can promote your skills. Many content creators, small businesses, or even influencers need help with video editing. 4. Create and sell templates. CapCut allows you to create and customize video templates. If you develop popular or unique templates, you could sell them to other creators or share them for a fee, especially through platforms like Etsy or directly to your followers. 5. Affiliate marketing. You could use CapCut to create tutorial videos or reviews about products, for example, camera gear, tech gadgets, etc. When people purchase through your affiliate links, you get a commission. 6. Launch a content creation course. If you're skilled at using CapCut, you could create tutorials or online courses teaching others how to edit using the app. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even YouTube can be used to sell these tutorials. 7. Build a personal brand. As you consistently post high-quality, well-edited videos, you might develop a personal brand or a niche following. With time, you could make money through brand deals, affiliate marketing, or merchandise sales. Does any of that sound like it could work for you?